Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you guys can see, I will be making some cloud slime. This is my first time, and as you guys can see, I don't think it came out that bad. And this is actually, I didn't even let it sit at all. So I think it's giving a good drizzle. I mean, I always wonder how people made this kind of slime. And I think it came out good. I really like it. So if you guys want to find out how I did it, stay tuned. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And now I will be showing you guys how I made this kind of slime. Okay guys, so you guys can see I did use some school glue, some activator, and then I decided to go with pink. And then of course we need the instant cell, some water. I did forget to mention that I also did use lotion and shaving cream. Okay, so here I am pouring in the glue. Okay, again guys, I did use only a little bit of glue just because it does expand with the instant snow. Okay, right here I am putting in the water. Guys, I was not using any measurements. I was just pouring in as I go. I am just mixing the water and the glue. Okay guys, so I was just mixing. I did forget to mention this was my first time doing it. The cloud slime. And I actually liked how it came out. So now I'm just mixing in the water, the glue, and the food coloring. The food coloring is optional. You don't have to use any, but I decided I wanted to go with the very hot pink. Okay, now I am just adding the activator. Again, guys, I am not using any measurements. I was just pouring in as I go. Okay guys, finally it is looking like slime. I did overactivate it a little bit. Not too much though. And now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy some ASMR. I didn't cut out a lot of the video just because I wanted you guys to see exactly how I did it. So I'm sorry guys if the video is so long. Okay, now I'm just going in with some instant snow. The instant snow still is not activated. I'm just pouring it straight out of the package onto the slime. Just a little bit. I just put in a little bit. And now I will be pouring it into the bowl and putting some water into it. Look, goodness, this is so satisfying. How it just turns into instant snow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it in, and then, sorry guys, I just kept playing with it because it was so satisfying, just the way it felt. Now I'm just gonna be pouring it in directly to my slime. And here it goes. Honestly, this is actually this is my favorite slime. I did have my doubts when I first did this video. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. But honestly, I think it's not that hard. Yeah, you do need it a lot, and it did take me a little bit longer than the other kind of slimes, but it's totally worth it. Like, it's so satisfying once you're done with it, of course. Right now, I'm just mixing everything, mixing the instant snow to the slime. Okay, I felt like I needed more instant snow, so I am pouring in more instant snow. Okay, you guys can see it's finally starting to look like some cloud slime. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it's not quite how we want it to be. It falls apart easily. It's not giving us that drizzle that we want. So now we are going to be putting in some, guys, I did forget to put in some lotion at the beginning, so yeah, I'm going to be putting in the lotion barely now, but it's okay. It still works just fine. As you guys can see, it's still not where we want it to be. It's still not looking like the cloud slime. It's looking like cloud slime, but it's not giving us that drizzle that we want. At this point, I literally thought I had ruined it. I was like, no, it was so sad. But then, it was getting a little sticky, so I did put in a little bit more activator, and that just fixed. So it's okay. And now you guys can see that after kneading a lot, it's still not where I want it to be. It's still not how it should look. You're gonna think that you ruined it. Well, it's giving you a little bit, but it's still not staying together how we want it to be. So now we're gonna be putting in the shaving cream. This is my daughter helping. She wanted to help. She only put in a little bit, so I have to help her out more. It is gonna get messy, and it's gonna fall apart, and it's gonna look like it's not working out, but trust the process. So now we're just gonna keep putting in shaving cream and more shaving cream and more shaving cream until we feel like it's done. Okay, so I'm just mixing in the shaving cream. Guys, when you guys do put in the shaving cream, it is going to fall apart, but it's okay. Just mix in the shaving cream with the slime, and I promise you guys it's gonna come together. As you guys can see, it's finally starting to give us the drizzle we want. Ah! Look how satisfying that looks. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so look at that. Oh my goodness. This is my first time, guys. I am so proud of how it came out. It looks so good. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos. Oh my goodness. That looks so amazing. This is my favorite slime. See you guys on the next one. Bye!